Having the time of our life, married at 15, traveling the world at 70. I'm Joan,
Harry.
and the world is our home.
Yes.
Come live with us as we travel.
Yes.
Canada, Sicily, Thailand, many places. Cooking is for guests is one of our passions.
Yes.
What do guests ask us?
What should we bring for dinner?
And what do we say? The answer is always
Wine is always
Always
good.
good. wine is always,
Always
good.
good. And it is. Beer, wine, always good. You can see my kitchen and way in the background over there.
Wonderful kitchen.
But this, Joan, over the years you have changed my eating habits.
I know, and you love it.
And I absolutely love it. Oh,
How is it? You have to eat at least one raw meal a day.
absolutely. Ciao. Is that any good? Look at that. Johnny. Really? Those greens are so good. So fresh and so good. It's unbelievable. Yes.
Wine is always good. This morning, Chang beer is always good. This morning for brunch, we have beautiful, beautiful greens. 3 different kind of greens with shredded carrot. Beautiful salad with lime juice, orange juice mixture for the dressing. Then we have this amazing avocado, very healthy and raw for some of those omega-3 fats, and some raw onion, my favorite combination. So you can top that on here, and the orange juice and lime juice with some raw carrot. These are really good, fresh raw carrots. So this is the pineapples that they peel at the market for you. So
Yes.
great. So pineapples, bananas, wonderful addition. So you get your fruits, and then we have this sourdough brown bread toasted with a bit of imported cheddar cheese,
Yes.
also excellent, and then some greens.
Yes.
The hard cheese or the old cheese is a really good mixture with these greens,
Yes.
and extremely healthy. You always need greens every day. You need some omega-3s with the avocados. You need fruit for dessert, vegetables, a little bit of protein in the cheddar
And sunshine.
cheese. Sunshine and beer. Cheers.
Cheers.
Ciao.
Ciao.